How to recover Telegram account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple method of how you can recover your current Telegram account. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome, and at the top search bar, type in Recover Telegram Account. Here, scroll below and you will find Telegram Messenger Support. Tap open it. And here you have to simply type in the issue that you are facing with your logging in. Also make sure to enter your email address. Once done, type in your phone number at this box, then tap on submit. And all you have to do is wait for the email and they will provide a customized solution to your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you have found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.